In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to control GIF start and stop in PowerPoint and how to stop a GIF from looping. PowerPoint presentations are a fantastic way to communicate ideas visually, and adding GIFs can make them even more engaging. However, sometimes those GIFs can loop endlessly, which might not be what you're aiming for. Let's go through the steps to manage this effectively. First things first, you'll want to have PowerPoint open on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, make sure to obtain a licensed version and install it properly to access all its features. Once you have PowerPoint up and running, open your desired PowerPoint presentation. If it's a new presentation, create a fresh slide where you intend to add the GIF. Otherwise, select the slide where you want your GIF to go. Next, navigate to the Insert tab. You'll find this tab located on the ribbon at the top of your screen. The Insert tab houses all the items you can add to your slides, like images, shapes, charts, and of course our spotlight feature today, GIFs. When you're in the Insert tab, look for the Pictures option. Clicking this will give you a few choices on where to source your image. Select this device to locate a GIF file that's already saved on your computer. This step ensures you're browsing through your device's library for a specific GIF you want to include. Once you're there, browse your folders and select the GIF you wish to insert. Make sure it's one that complements your presentation and fits well with the content of your slide. After you've found the perfect GIF, click on it and then hit the Open button. This action will place the GIF onto your slide where you'll be able to see it start playing automatically. Now, to address that endless looping issue that can distract your audience, you need to stop or control the looping of the GIF. To do that, click on the pause button that appears in the middle of the GIF when you select it on your slide. This will halt the animation, allowing you both to control its pacing and keep the focus on your presentation's key elements. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to insert and control GIFs in your PowerPoint presentation. This little trick can make your slides more dynamic and focused, ensuring that your viewers' attention stays on the message you want to convey. So go ahead and try these steps on your next presentation. With just a little practice, you'll master the art of GIF control in PowerPoint. Don't forget to leave your comments below if you have any questions or need further assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.